the 5 best African countries to start your business in. Hello, what's up guys, it's Mike Rumaka here, and right on my YouTube channel I make videos around business opportunities in Africa, and I do in-depth analysis around them and give my takes on them. I also share inspiring African entrepreneurship stories. So if you love business and making money, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers before the next 2 months, guys, please. With that being said, let's dive right into today's video. Let's go.
Africa is the second largest continent in the world, both in size and in population.
Africa's current population of around 1.2 billion people is expected to reach 1.7 billion people by 2030, and around 80% of this population growth is going to occur in urbanized areas, making Africa the fastest growing urbanizing area or region in the world. Is that not just amazing, guys?
In total, annual spending by Africa was around $4 trillion and is expected to reach $6 trillion by 2030.
Now, based on this stats, you'll be asking yourself, which is the best place to invest my money or start my business in Africa? Now, in no particular order, I'm going to walking you through 5 countries that you can set up a business in Africa and be sure of good return of investment over the next few decades. The first country on my list is Nigeria. This is what you should know in regards to doing business in Nigeria.
Nigeria has an estimated 200 million people in population size and is the most populated country in Africa. 2. The oil sector provides 95% of Nigeria's foreign exchange earnings and 80% of its budgetary revenues.
Now the question is, why would you want to do business in a country where the government is just focused on oil? One is the population size and the growth of the middle class.
The middle class makes up about 23% of the Nigerian population, and with the rate of consumption currently happening in Nigeria, by 2040 it is expected that the middle class might get up to 30% to 40%. Now, if you're looking at setting up a business in Nigeria, the ideal place you should be looking at is Lagos, which is the business hub of Nigeria. You should also be looking at Abuja or even Anambra State. These are cities that have background of business and politics.
The second African country when it comes to setting up a business in Africa is Kenya. This is what you should know in regards to doing business in Kenya.
Kenya is known for its wildlife and is one of the most tourist-friendly countries in Africa. And for a good reason, however, there is more to this incredible country than just tourism.
Kenya has a market-based economy and is regarded as the economic hub of East Africa.
Our third and next country is the one and only Rwanda. This is what you should know in regards to doing business in Rwanda. Doing business is easier. Rwanda is among the top 3 nations in Africa for ease of doing business and was ranked number 38 in the world in 2017 for safest place to live. Second thing, it is strategic regional positioning. Though Rwanda has a small market size, Rwanda still has a unique advantage to offer international companies, which is its powerful geographic positioning. Some international firms have made use of that. They see Rwanda as a smart and safe gateway to both the East African Community Trade Region, which has over 150 million inhabitants, and then also DRC, which has untapped market opportunities to the west. The fourth African country worth setting up your business is Ghana. Here is what you should know in regards to doing business in Ghana. Unlike most African countries, Ghana is one of the most peaceful countries in regards to conflict arising from politics, so your business is safe. Ghana's current population is estimated to be at about 28.9 million people. This was around 2016. And its females forming over 49.1% of the total population. And we as businessmen know that women are high consumers. Ghana also has a youthful population with over 60% of the population falling between the ages of 15 and 64 years of age. Ghanaians are also one of the most honest and kindness-hearted people in Africa. So if you're doing business with a Ghanaian, you have 90% chances of not being cheated on. The fifth country worth setting up a business in Africa is Ethiopia. Here is what you should know in regards to doing business in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is the second most populous city in Africa. In 2014, it was recorded that the country had a GDP of over $54.8 billion and exports amounting to an estimated $4.14 billion and imports amounting to an estimated $12.8 billion, making its mark in the international market. The country's economy was recorded to have an average growth rate of 10.7% over the last decade. When it comes to setting up your business in Ethiopia, you should be looking at these sectors. You should be looking at the logistics sector, the agricultural sector, and the energy and technology sector.
As someone who is based in Africa, studying in Africa, and doing business in Africa, I believe there are lots of untapped business opportunities in Africa. That if you decide to set up a business in Africa or invest in Africa, you won't regret it over the next few decades. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment telling me the African country you're looking at investing in or setting up your business, and I'll give you feedback around that particular country. If you have any questions as well, please leave a comment asking your questions. And guys, don't forget to like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will help promote this video, so that people and investors who are looking at setting up or investing in Africa can get to watch this video, understand that Africa is a land of good mind. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, guys. Please, let's get to 10,000 subscribers. With that being said, guys, see you on the video showing on your screen. Bye.